I got Brendan. He just went through some fresh water, hit it pretty hard. Got a service light up on the dash. So normally what we look at straight away is crank angle sensor, cam angle sensor. But in these cases, cam angle sensor is the most common one. Nice and easy to get to at least. Got to watch out, everything's hot. So take the cover off, and we see it down the front of the motor here. Often when you hit water, the fan just shoots straight in, and because of the way the plug's sitting, it goes straight down into the point. So if you look at that, we can see the corrosion on the point here. Happened basically straight away as soon as water gets in there. You can actually see down the plug there's a bit of water as well. So get some sensor cleaner. Give a bit of a squirt to clean it. Helps dry too. So I can't stress enough, dielectric grease for all your points. Any plug that's in the engine bay is IP65. Obviously not submersible, but it is waterproof. When you're hitting from a hot engine to cold water submerged, you can actually suck moisture in, and what you can see here is the most common thing. Happens with headlights, everything. So dielectric grease is what I put on the EGR delete modules as well. This is the one that I use. Get it from Supercheap, Repco, eBay, anywhere you like. But we just need to put a little smear on the plug just to protect it for later on. And so we just put the plug back in. Now it's just put everything back to where it was. And we'll get the starter up. Because the problem with that sensor is you can't wait start. That's what you don't want in a big puddle. If you stall it, you'll be stuck there dead. So I'm going to start the motor up. Yep. Hopefully it starts. Beautiful.